You can edit the data in a table as well as you edit the data in a worksheet cell. But if you have large data in a worksheet and you want to edit data within a worksheet, use replace command. Replace command make easier to edit data within a cell. Click find and select arrow button. Click replace command. First type the text in find what box that you want to edit. Type Nick. Click find next button. The cell is selected that contains text Nick. Press tab key. Type the text in replace with box that you want to replace with that text. Type Grant in this box. Click replace. You can see the text Grant is replaced with that text. So if you want to correct incorrect entry in any cell, use replace command. Now if you want to delete incorrect, out of date or no longer needed record in a table, select any cell. In cell group, click delete arrow button. Click delete cells. All cells in a row of that selected cell are deleted. Click undo button. Click delete arrow button. Click delete table rows. The row of that selected cell is deleted. Again click undo button. Click delete arrow button. Click delete table columns. The column of that selected cell is deleted. In this way you can delete columns and rows in an Excel table.